In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a video background on a section in Elementor. Now, first of all, it's a given that you need Elementor or Elementor Pro involved, installed on your website. So I'm going to come to a page. Let me go back to the basics. I'll click on add a new page like here, and then I'm going to name this page, let's say demo video, and then I'm going to publish it. I'll publish the page, and I'm going to edit it with Elementor. It's editing. So now I'm going to click to add a section. I'll add a flex box, and I'm going to add this one. The first thing I want to do here is to add the video. So for me to add the video, I can just click on these 6 dots, come to style, and then I'm going to choose one of these widgets. That is a background type. I'm going to click on video. Now, but I can't just upload the video. That's not how it works. So I need to come back to the back end of my website and upload the video. Now, there are 2 options. The first option is to upload the video. I'll just come to media. I'll come to add new media file. I'll click on select files. And this is the video I want to use. I'll just upload that. It may take some time to upload. Now that the file is uploaded, I want to copy this URL to clipboard. And then I'll come here, and then I'll drop the URL here. So you see automatically this video pops up here, and then you can choose the timing. Maybe you want it to run from 3 seconds to the end. You see when I choose 3 seconds, you don't see the lady as she moves in. Let me make it, let's say 5 seconds. If I put it from 5 seconds, you see, it will just show her from the back. Now let me publish that first to see that effect. And let me reload the page. Okay, you will see that effect in place now. So you see it cuts off part of the clip. I'll come back to style. So it cuts off part of the clip. Maybe I should do this by increasing. So that is that. Now the next thing we want to do is, maybe you want this to play just once. You can set it, then when it plays, it doesn't play anymore. Number 2, do you want it to play on mobile? You can see yes. You see that the lazy just starts off from there. And then privacy mode, you can turn that on. So you will not see any controls like to pause or to start. I will turn that off. You can also add a background picture so that when the video is not showing yet, this picture is going to be displayed. I can put this picture here, but of course, in your own case, you want a more decent looking picture. That's a thumbnail for one of my videos. So this is how it's going to be. And when the video starts to play, you see the video playing. Now I want to remove this, and you can add a background overlay. Maybe you would think that the video is too bright, and which is most often the case. Let me reload this now. Now I want to remove this picture here. I put it because it's like a placeholder image, so that whenever the video is playing, you don't see it, but whenever the video is not playing, you'll see it. But of course, you have the right to remove it, and you have the right to leave it there. So I'm going to save. Now I put the video to play just once. So when the video plays and stops, you are going to see that picture behind here. Let's just watch. You see now. So that's a picture behind. But first thing we want to remove the picture, and we will also want to toggle off display once. Now I had previously set it to be 5. I noticed that my recording was on pause. Let me show you what it does. When it's set to 5 seconds, you see where the lady, you don't see her walking in, you see her just, running. Let me reload that. So that's that. You just see her running in. But if I reduce this to 2 seconds, you're going to see I've gone ahead and increased the padding here. I don't know where I stopped. I've gone ahead and increased the padding, top padding to 250, bottom padding to 250. And if I publish that, you are going to see it on the front end. So you see she's running. Now, what I want to do is I want to check the mobile layout. You see in mobile, it's stretched. Now you can leave it this way, but also what you can do is that you can reduce the font of this text to maybe 30, and then the top padding, you can reduce the top padding to maybe 100, and then the bottom padding also to 100. You can leave it this way, or you can increase it more. Let's say 120 top, 120 bottom. So that is how you set video background using a video which is hosted on your website. But the second way to do this is by using a video hosted on a separate website. Let's say you want to use a video that is hosted on maybe YouTube or Vimeo. So what you simply do is that you come here, and I'm going to put the link of this video. I'll come here. I want to first of all remove this, and then I have a YouTube video I want to embed on my website. I'll just paste that there. So you see the video is going to play. Now for this, is very, very important that privacy mode is turned on so that you don't have those YouTube control buttons. So if I publish this and I come back to the front end of my website, you see that's a YouTube video there. This is a YouTube video playing. I can embed it on my website. It's also of a lady running. So you can also use Vimeo. That's videos from Vimeo, videos also from YouTube. Just put it behind, and then you have this effect. So in a nutshell, that is how you use videos in the background of your website. If you got any value from this video, please post a comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.